Welcome back. You will have access to Microsoft OneDrive. And OneDrive is where all of your documents that you are creating will be stored. Microsoft will be making an offer for you to increase the amount of space that you have, which you can subscribe to separately, or you can increase the amount of storage by signing up for a paid version of Microsoft 365. OneDrive is designed for you to upload documents, both files and folders, from your hard drive into the storage area. And you're going to notice down to the bottom left that Microsoft will track how much space you have available to you in terms of being able to use OneDrive for your documents. Now, if you want to see the other content that you have available to you that you have stored on OneDrive, you'll then be able to see all of the documents you have been creating and using in Microsoft 365. Then you will want to pay attention to your overall settings. If you go to this area and click on the settings gear, and you go to your options area, you will then see your OneDrive settings. You can track your storage options, your Office file formats, and all of the other elements that you'll have available to you for Microsoft OneDrive. You'll also be able to create any of the other kinds of documents that Microsoft 365 gives you that you'll be storing in Microsoft OneDrive. You will notice that you can go inside of any document. You can share that document. You'll be able to click it here in this icon. You'll also be able to click on these ellipses, and you'll have several options available to you for each individual document that you have stored in Microsoft OneDrive. You'll also see a number of options available to you on the top menu that are the same as your menu available to you when you click on the ellipsis. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.